Hello and welcome to this tutorial of RapidMiner, in which we'll learn about extensions to RapidMiner. Now, one of the ways of extending RapidMiner is to integrate it into your application. Several steps need to be followed. Simple steps. First, RapidMiner can be easily invoked from other Java applications. User can read process configurations from XML files or readers. User can construct processes by starting with an empty process and adding operators to the created process in a tree-like manner. User can also create single operators and apply them to some input objects. Now, RapidMiner can be integrated in Java applications in the following ways. First of all, we need to initialize RapidMiner. Second, we need to create operators. Third, we need to create a complete process. Fourth, we can use single operators. Fifth, we can also use RapidMiner as a library. And finally, we can transform data for RapidMiner. First of all, initializing RapidMiner. Before RapidMiner can be used, especially for any operator can be created, RapidMiner has to be properly initialized. The method RapidMiner.init must be invoked before the operator service can be used to create operators. We can also use the simple method RapidMiner.init and configure the settings via the list of environment variables. Here's a list of the environment variables that we need to set. RapidMiner.init.operators, now to specify a file name. RapidMiner.init.plugins.location, to specify a directory name. RapidMiner.init.vika, it's a boolean whether using the vika operators or not. RapidMiner.init.jdbc.lib, boolean whether you're using Java database connectivity or not. RapidMiner.init.jdbc.classpath, RapidMiner.init.plugins. Right. So this is the first step in which RapidMiner is initialized. Second is creating the operators. Now, it is important that operators are created using one of the create operator methods. These are available in the package com.rapidminer.tool.operator service. Now, the third step is creating a complete process. We can simply create a new process setup via new process and add operators to the created process. The root of the process operator tree is queried by process.getRootOperator function. Operators are added like children to a parent tree. The fourth step is using single operators. For small processes like single learning or pre-processing step, the creation of a complete process object might include a lot of overhead. In these cases, we can easily manage the data flow ourselves and create and use single operators. And the fifth is using RapidMiner as a library. The user might also want to integrate RapidMiner into his or her application so that users do not have to download and install RapidMiner. In that case, the following needs to be considered. RapidMiner needs a RapidMiner RC file in the RapidMiner home/etc directory. RapidMiner might search for some libraries located in the directory RapidMiner.home/library. And the sixth way is transforming data for RapidMiner. The first step in this process is a list containing all attributes it's created. Secondly, all attributes are created with help of the class attribute factory and added to the attribute list. Third, an example table is created. Fourth, a table is filled with data. And fifth, a view on the example table is produced. So this is about extending RapidMiner to suit our needs, using RapidMiner in our Java applications or using RapidMiner as a library. Thank you.